channel. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to play Somewhere Only We Know, which is a Keane cover by Lily Allen. So we're doing the Lily Allen's version. And this was a song used in the John Lewis Christmas advert in 2013. But I still get requested quite a lot to teach this one with my students. I'm going to simplify it ever so slightly, and we're just going to do the piano arrangement. We're not going to do the melody line. The first chord is a B flat major, which is B flat, D and F. And it's playing in this pattern. D, B flat, and then D and F together. B, and it does that again. It's quite quick. And then you're going to move your thumb down to a D minor position, inversion, which is A, D and F, and we're going to do the same pattern. And then it's going to move up to a C minor position, which is C, E flat and G. And then you're going to move to what's called an F sus4 inversion, so that's C, F and B flat. And then you're going to move the B flat to the A. And then all of that repeats again. So that's the verse done. So that does make up a vast majority of the song. So let's go over that again. So the left hand with that is going to play with the B flat, you're going to play B flat and F, and then with the D minor you're going to play A and F, and then with the C minor you're going to play C, G, E flat, and then just a single F for the F part. And that fits together like this. Now into the chorus, which I think is the chorus. We're going to do a similar pattern, but this time we're going to play B flat, D and G this time. And then down to D minor. And then we're going to go lower, so we're going to play an inversion of E flat major, which is G, B flat and E flat. And then we're going to play a C minor, but we're going to play some of the melody in this part. So we're going to go like that. So you're going to play G with the E flat, D, C, D, and then we're going to play an F7 suspended, and then you're going to resolve that just to an F7. Those notes were F, B flat and E flat. You could add the C in there as well for the full chord, or you can take that out, and then you're going to resolve that to F, A and E flat. And on the left hand, you could just play the root notes of those chords to keep it simple. So I just played in octaves, singular notes. And we have E flat, C's, and then F. So that fits together like this. and then it goes back into the verse again. So all of that repeats. After you've repeated that, it's the part where she's singing, and if you have a minute, why don't we go? That bit. The right hand is going up. So we're going to play a Cm7 position, which is C, E flat, and then B flat. And then you're going to play the B flat major again. It goes back to the Cm7 again. Then back to the B flat. And then this time you're going to play C minor inversion, which is E flat, G and C. And then into the B flat again. And then we have an E flat major 7. So in the right hand you're going to play basically a G minor chord. But in the left hand you're going to play an E flat. So that'll make more sense when we include the left hand. And then we're going to play some of the melody again. So D, C, D, F, C, and then it's going to go back into that E position. And it's going to do that B flat melody again. And then A and D, G and C, then it ends on B flat major. So all this is before it goes into this like musical interlude, which we'll look at in a minute. So let's go over the second part of that chorus again. So it sounds like the song has finished at this point, but it hasn't, because it goes into this other musical interlude part. So the left hand with that, you're going to play C, and then move up to D, C, D, two more times, C, D, then E flat, F, E flat, F, and then B flats. So together that fits like this. So you could also end the song in that way as well. So there's only one more section left to cover. So this interlude section then, where she's just sort of singing R's. The first chord starts with a G minor, so like this. And then into D again. And then we're going to go into an F minor, which is C, F and A flat. And then C minor. Then Then it goes up to A minor inversion, which is E, A and C. And then E minor, which is E, G and B. And then it goes down to B flat major again. And then D major inversion, which is A, D and F sharp. And then into Oh simple thing, where have you gone? The left hand with that is actually going, you're going to play in octaves and then with the fifth in the middle. So for the G we have G, D, G. And it goes down to D, A, D. And then up to F. And then down to C. Then up to A. To E. And then this one, the B flat actually goes B flat, F, B flat, C, D, and then the D does something similar, D, A, D, E, F sharp. So that just about concludes all the sections for this song. Again, I have simplified it slightly, but that is the gist of the song. And like in all my videos, I have included the full chord, song and lyric structure in the description below, so you can piece it all together and play along. If this video has been useful, please give it a big thumbs up. If you have any requests, please leave them in the comment section below. I always look forward to talking with you all there. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.